No, I've not played well yet, but obviously it's you've got to take results when they come along. So I'm happy to get 2 matches under the belt, and somehow I've won 4-1 and 4-1. So must be doing something right. Yeah, well, the pressure's definitely off in the PTCs for me, but on the other hand, I still, I'm not rich enough to turn my nose up at £10,000 at the end of a weekend, and obviously the 2,000 points that come with it. So just try and win every match, and obviously the rankings and the money should come with that. So it's just a case of getting out there and trying to win rather than not get beat. Well, today was obviously Saturday today, and it was a lot busier there, a lot warmer, and a better atmosphere. But I think it'll probably just get busier now, because obviously it's coming in the later rounds now, and that's what people want to see. So it should be good over the next 2 days. No, the fans over here, I mean, they love their snooker, and they know when to clap. They know when if a couple of times I potted the winning ball, and I wasn't even thinking about I didn't even know it was a winning ball, and there was a round of applause, and then I checked the scoreboard, and they knew before me that I'd won the frame. So they obviously keen on their snooker, and they definitely know how to add up.